Levanti V Cakes. It's been like 2 years, y'all, since I posted a video. I've neglected y'all. I'm so sorry. Aww. But you know, my life just been crazy. Like, it's just been crazy as hell, and you know, just a lot of stuff been going on. So like, it's been going down. Young Jock, okay. So I basically just wanted to like get my channel like a fresh new start. I want to revamp everything, and I just kind of want to let y'all know the direction that I plan on going with my channel. So of course I'm gonna do recipes, I'm gonna do meal prepping, I'm gonna do some vlogs because I'm on a weight loss journey right now. My goal is to lose 40 pounds, maybe even more, but 40 pounds is the goal before the end of the summer. And yeah, like I just, you know, I want to do like some workout things, like, you know, just I want to do some vlogs about like how it's going with me trying to like get my business off the ground, like, you know, different things that I struggle with being an entrepreneur. Like, you know, just, I don't know, like, you know, like just kind of my experience. It's not really like things to do, things to not do, things to avoid or anything like that. It's basically just like what, you know, what the hell I've experienced, you know. So that's that. I do want to introduce y'all to something else that I'm doing, another venture. Y'all seen this Nutraburst? Y'all seen this Nutraburst with the Iaso tea? Y'all done seen this. Y'all seen these products. Thumbnail right here. So yes, I'm trying to get fit. I'm trying to lose some weight. I'm trying to get my life together. Trying to get back on track, you know. I'm letting y'all know, okay? I'm trying to get right. So my mom, she's been doing this. I seen her do like a 30-day challenge, and I was just like, girl, like, here you go again with one of them products, you know, like you didn't, you know, she retired, so she just signing up, just, you know, spending money, doing whatever. So I'm like, oh Lord, here go another one of them things you done signed up for, you know, to get your money or whatever. So she like, no, you know, it's really been working. Like, you know, she has a whole nother kit, and I'm gonna get my other kit next month, so that'll be another video. But she like, I really like the drop. She was like, the Nutraburst, which is this is like a multivitamin. Like, this is liquid gold, okay? When I tell you, like, so okay, so let me go back to the story. So she's just telling me all about it, and I'm just like, right, whatever. So I'm like, fine. She finally convinced me. I'm like, fine, I'm gonna sign up, I'm gonna try it, you know, try this stuff under you. So I've been using it for about a week, and I've actually been slipping like my last couple days, but I've been using it for about a week. And when I tell you this right here, oh my gosh, I have so much energy. Like, I feel so good. Like, I normally wake up, my body is hurting, I feel, you know, droggy, like, you know, just super down, like, just like, you know, just sluggish. That's the word, sluggish. So I've been taking this, and I love it. All you know, you keep this refrigerated, you just pour you like a cap full. It's a tablespoon, but I just do a cap full because what, I mean, you can't never get too many vitamins, okay? So then I bottoms up, and I like to rinse my top out afterwards, but for purposes of the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Now, normally, like with vitamins, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, when I was like, ugh, it's gonna be nasty. It stank. It smell like vitamin. It smell like a pill bottle. It smell like just, ugh, it smell nasty, okay? So I'm like, I know it's gonna taste nasty. It's gonna taste disgusting. It's gonna taste like when you take a pill and you leave it on your tongue too long without, ugh. So anyway, so I'm like, you know, getting myself prepared. I take a shot of it. I said, not nasty. It tastes like fruits and berries with a sprinkle of medicine. So yeah, so that's that. And then the tea, the detox tea, mine has the CBD in it. So when you get it, it's gonna say full spectrum hemp extract. This is the one I have. So, first of all, let me tell you about tea. So with the tea, listen, I'm already regular. I already go to the bathroom. I never have a problem using the bathroom. Pause. Miko, shut up. So I never have a problem using the bathroom, anything like that at all. Like, I'm always just A1, okay? You know, I eat, I go to the bathroom, okay? So I'm like, Mom, I don't really think, you know, I'm gonna need detox tea or whatever. She was like, well, it's good, you know, it'll clean you out, so then that way when you start, you know, doing your clean eating, you know, you'll be good to go. I'm like, all right. So, you know, I was watching, like, you know, all the TLC people on you know, Instagram and stuff. And TLC is Total Life Changes. Hey, Papa. It's Total Life Changes. That's the name of the company that you order this stuff through. And they was doing like 4 packets of the tea, 2 packets. You know, I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, well, let me just try 2. Baby, let me show you the packets. Now, the packets, my dog think it's a treat. It's not. It's not. Leave me alone. So it comes in a little packet like this. This is the instant. Okay. So you get a little water bottle. I'm gonna drink my water down. I almost drank too much of the water. Shit. So drink your water down some. Take a little packet. Put it in there. Now, if you have like problems going to the bathroom, you don't you like don't have bowel movements every day. Like if you have like, I have a friend who be like, you know, she got problems with her bowels. She be like, I ain't been to the bathroom in 3 days. That's a long ass time. That's a long time not to poop, you know. So yeah. So you put it in there, shake it up. Hold on, wait.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening, bitch? What's happening, bitch? I'm a savage, yeah.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Then you drink it. Y'all, it tastes like water. Now, when I drink it if I put it in the whole water bottle, it tastes like water with like a hint of lemon. When I drink it down here, I can actually taste like the tea flavor. It's good. It's actually good. Like, and I don't like the way Diet Nothing tastes. The only diet thing I actually like is Slim Fast protein shakes. That's it. Drink it all. Just drink it all. You ain't gotta sip it unless you know, you can heat it up with some warm water. You can make some tea with a little honey. You could add a tea bag to it. But I like this way. So I'm gonna do a stand-up view so y'all can see what like my body's doing right now. And like I said, this is just so I could be holding myself accountable for everything. I got on the scale. I am like the biggest that I have ever been. Well, I take that back. I lost 20 pounds last year, so I was actually bigger than this. But I got on the scale. I weighed 237. That's ridiculous. Like, I can't even believe that I weigh that much. Like, what the 230, 237, 237. Like, are you kidding me? 237. Y'all, I'm tripped out. But whatever, you know, so it's life. Things happen, you get stressed, whatever. So show y'all what I'm looking like right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it that I just wanted to let y'all know. My new lifestyle changes. We losing weight, we getting fit, we doing squats, we doing crunches, sit-ups, push-ups, all of that. Because I'm coming for Megan neck, okay? Coming for your neck, Megan. I love Megan Thee Stallion. That's my baby. But yeah, so if y'all trying to detox and start your healthy life change, definitely got to get you some Nutraburst. Definitely got to get you the Iaso tea. Definitely want to try these. It's going to have me going to the bathroom very soon. Probably within the next hour or two. And I only have to do it once a day. Like, I don't have to do it so many times a day. I only have to do it once a day. So that's the good thing about it as well. You only need this once a day. I know some guys that like work out. They also take another shot before they work out, you know, so they can reintroduce those nutrients into their body. So as much as you like. I'm selling these products. My link's gonna be down below. So make sure you click on it. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there too. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, which is really just right now. I just have Instagram. And my Facebook page was, but I no longer have it anymore. So make sure that you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to make sure. So I'm gonna get used to the hang of doing these videos. Bear with me. I'm trying to get it better. I got a new laptop coming. I'm about to get me a new camera. Okay, so your girl's about to get some things set up. So please stay tuned. I got a couple other videos that I'm doing for y'all. So what's up? Thank you again for tuning in. I missed y'all so much. I'm so excited. Thank you again. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe on my video. Hold me accountable. I want y'all to reach out, message me, inbox me, email me, whatever. Let me know if y'all got some recipes that y'all want me to try. You know, like if you got, you know, a recipe you want me to try on my channel, you know, let's blow up together, okay?